Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This video is regarding the launch of our updated ebooks for CSIR NET 2026 exams. So now our ebook for CSIR NET has been updated till December 2025 and it has now questions starting from June 2011 till December 2025. So all these 15 years of previous year's questions are there available now topic wise with detailed solution. And these ebooks, I have always got a lot of comments and a lot of reviews about this ebook that it has helped a lot of students in their preparation who have qualified this exam earlier. So in case if you have not purchased it yet, this is something which can help you in your preparation because it gives you an entire collab of all the questions which are available starting from December, like June 2011, CSIR June 2011 till CSIR December 2025. So if you have not yet purchased it, this is the time you can purchase it, because right now we are launching it at a launch price or a launch offer of 999 rupees, which is the price of the previous and older ebooks. We have not increased the price yet, but after 2 weeks we are planning to increase the price because we have to take care of logistics which goes behind updating these ebooks. So yeah, for that sake the prices are going to get elevated in 2 weeks, so make sure you purchase it before the price increases. Okay, and yeah, this is very important to tell. These are ebooks which contain questions from CSIR June 2011 till CSIR December 2025 exam. And all these questions, that means 15 years of your CSIR NET question papers, have been segregated in this ebook in the form of topic wise questions. So once you open that ebook, you will get topic wise questions. So let's say you have studied a topic of solid state and now you want to solve questions. So all the questions from solid state which has been asked till now, starting from June 2011 till December 2025, all the previous CSIR NET exam, you get all these previous year's question at the same place. So you can see that how better you have performed or how better you have prepared for solid state chemistry. And not only questions, you have detailed solution of that as well. In a moment I'll take you to my computer screen and I'll show you how it looks. And before going that, just a quick disclaimer that these are not physical books. These are ebooks or PDF copies. Once you make the purchase, you can download these ebooks and you can access them on your laptop, on your mobile phone, on your tablet, anywhere, any digital device. Not only that, you can also take a printout of it. So all these ebooks are print friendly. In case if you want a printout of that, you can take print of them as well. Okay, so I will take you to my screen now to show you how this ebook look like. All right, once you click on the link given in the description of this video, you will be directly redirected to this particular web page. This is the web page where we provide ebooks for different exams. So as you can see in the featured product itself, you have complete CSIR NET PYQ, or even if you want to buy individually, like for physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, you can buy them individually as well. But right now this particular ebook is at a launch offer, as you can see over here. So all you have to do is click on this and click on buy now. So once you click on this buy now, you will be taken to this particular page where you have to give your basic details like your name, your email address, your phone number, and that's it. You just have to click on review and pay, and then you can pay using various different methods. You can pay using your UPI, you can pay using your credit card, internet banking, all these methods. Okay, so it's pretty simple and straightforward how you can buy this ebook. Once the payment is done, once the payment is complete, you will be able to get a download link where once you click on that download link, you can download the ebook. In case of this combined ebook, if you click on the download link, you will get a zip file which will have all the 3 ebooks in that. Okay, so you have to extract all the 3 ebooks. It's a zip file which contains all the 3 ebooks. All right, as you can see, it is mentioned in the product description as well that this is a zip file that contains 3 PDF file. You have to extract the zip file to access this PDF, and it's pretty easy to extract that. Okay, it's very easy these days. Like different computers and mobile phone, they have inbuilt feature. If you click on that zip file, it will automatically extract it. You don't have to even do anything as such. Okay, so now let me show you how these ebooks actually look like. All right, so once you download this is how your ebook is going to look like. This is organic chemistry topic wise PYQ with detailed solution. Then you have a disclaimer page, and then you have contents like on what page number which topic is provided. So as you can see, the first chapter is organic GOC or stereochemistry. And not only that, on each page also it is mentioned that on which chapter you are actually. So you see here you have question followed by the correct answer and then explanation, right? So for each question you get that. So in organic chemistry we have followed this particular method so that you can practice question as you are preparing for it. Okay, so you have questions in certain topics like reactive intermediates and reaction mechanism. You have questions first so that you can solve it blindly without looking into the solution. And once you solve your questions, then you see you have every year it is mentioned, like this is from CSIR June 2023. Then you have the latest ones are also updated. For example, you have the recent ones which is from CSIR December 2025. So you have question over here and then you have solutions of them. Okay, so solution number 80, what is the correct option and how it is solved. So with mechanism, everything is given in detail so that you have a complete idea how these questions are actually solved. All right, similarly we have inorganic chemistry as well. If you go to inorganic chemistry, in the same way you have topics and then followed by their correct answer and then their detailed solution. Okay, and similarly we have physical chemistry. So we have content, we have all these topics in detail over here, and then we have questions followed by their detailed solution. Okay, you can see how detailed the solution is. Even every figure and every equation is explained to you, every step, like how you are approaching towards the right answer. All right, so this is just like just to show you how or what you can expect from this ebook. All the solutions are given in a way so that you understand how they have been solved. All right, so that's it from my side for this particular video. I hope you guys will buy this ebook and take the advantage of the launch offer, and you'll prepare for your CSIR NET exam. All the best for that.